This is the new Mclaren W1. Unveiled in October 2024, is a groundbreaking hybrid hypercar that combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional performance. The W1 represents McLaren's pinnacle of automotive engineering. The W1 features a hybrid powertrain combining a 4.0-liter twin turbocharged V8 engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 1,275 horsepower. This formidable power enables the W1 to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. The W1 features advanced aerodynamics inspired by McLaren's Formula One technology, including an adjustable front splitter and rear wing, provide dynamic downforce adjustments. The rear wing also offers a drag reduction system, DRS function, to increase top speed and an air brake. The seats are integrated directly into the carbon fiber monocoque, ensuring a close connection between the occupants and the car, with adjustable pedals and steering wheel, providing the perfect driving position. Cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, stunning design. In my opinion, it is the most beautiful design ever made by McLaren. Just look at it with its doors open.